Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. I'm making this video on a Sunday morning, and last night I had a bit of a late night because I went round to see an old friend of mine who's moving out of his flat soon, and we had dinner and we sat up talking and drinking, and I didn't get home until about 1 o'clock. And so I was hoping for a bit of a lie-in this morning, so you can imagine how delighted I was when there was a knock at the door at 9 o'clock. And when I stumbled downstairs to answer it, I found two smiling, slightly creepy evangelical Christians wanting to tell me about their friend Jesus and to try and convert me to their way of seeing the world. If you describe someone as an evangelical Christian, they're basically a Protestant or a kind of Christian who believes in the teaching of the Bible and who particularly believes in the importance of trying to persuade other people to see the world in that kind of way. Depending on where you are in the world, you may have experienced American evangelicals. It can be a noun on its own like that as well, by the way. Evangelicals, like evangelical Christians. You may have experienced American evangelicals using English as a way of trying to bring you closer to their God. You often get evangelicals going abroad and offering free English classes, which end up being all about their friend Jesus. We also use the adjective evangelical just to talk about people who have very strong beliefs that they often try to persuade others to take on. So you might describe someone as being an evangelical vegan because they're always going on about the importance of veganism. Or you might say that someone is completely evangelical about the power and benefits of reading. And it's not necessarily negative in this context. You know, some of you might think that I am evangelical about the lexical approach, for example. And we also use it as a noun. So you often hear, for example, of people talking about tech evangelists who are always going on about how tech is going to change the world for the better. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use evangelical or evangelists.